Hi, this is Lisa Rangel with Chameleon Resumes, the premier executive resume writing company, and thank you so much for joining me today. Today, we're going to talk about what I think is one of the most underutilized functions of LinkedIn, and that is the university page, particularly the alumni section on the university pages on LinkedIn. Now, let me be more specific. So, I'm a Cornell grad. I've promoted that on LinkedIn before. I've shared stories about it. So, let's talk about the Cornell University page. You go to the alumni section on the Cornell University LinkedIn page, and you can search for Cornell alumni, or I can search for Cornell alumni of all kinds, right? You can do it by keyword, by city, by company name. And, if you are a marketing leader, it might be look for CMOs who went to Cornell and network with them. If, you're a CFO, you might want to have chief marketing officer connections. And so if you're a CFO who went to Cornell, look for chief marketing officers who also graduated from Cornell and reach out to them to have interdisciplinary people in your network. If you have target companies that you're going after, look for people who went to Cornell who work at those companies. I can go on, right? And here's the thing: you can do this where you went to undergrad. You can do this for any grad school you went to, and you can also do it at schools where you did not graduate from. And clearly, I did not go to NYU, but I can go to NYU's college page and look for alumni who have keywords that meet what I need and just reach out. I don't have to obviously leverage that I'm a NYU alumni, because I'm not, but I can maybe leverage some other things about our background that we have in common. But just simply, it's a way of doing research. So the college alumni portion of the university LinkedIn page, to me, is one of the most underutilized yet incredibly effective ways of researching people to reach out to and to expand on your networking. So that's my tip for today. And if you found this very valuable and you would like to learn more of what you can use LinkedIn for to land your next 6 or 7 figure role, go to liveexeclinkedintraining.com and sign up for my next live training. That's what we're going to be doing live. We don't record them, so you got to make sure you attend, but go to liveexeclinkedintraining.com and sign up for my next live training and ask your questions, learn some tips that are like this that are going to help you network and expand your reach in ways you never thought of before. So it's all right in front of you. You just got to know. So join me again one more time, liveexeclinkedintraining.com. If you liked this video, I'm going to ask you to like it. If you know someone who's struggling in their job search or wants to be proactive in order to not struggle in their job search, I'm going to ask you to share this video with them. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to comment below or DM me. I do my best to read and reply to every DM or comment, or you can email me at lr@chameleonresumes.com. And if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel or my LinkedIn page, I'm going to ask you to do that, so this way you do not miss next week's video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.